What is up developers, Mike here, and today we're diving into why social media is crucial for developers looking to land a job. We'll explore how platforms like LinkedIn, Twitter, Instagram can be powerful tools for networking, personal branding, and career growth in the tech industry. Now this video will be split into two sections. The first is going to be from a first-person view, how you will see yourself as a developer on social media, and the second will be from a third-person view, how employers or other people will see you as a developer from those platforms. Let's start with the first view. Your social media reflects your personal brand. It's like your image in the public but in a digital way. You have to build it like a professional. This means selecting a uniform username, using an appealing profile picture against a clean background, and crafting a descriptive bio that captures your identity across multiple accounts. Now it's time to grow these accounts. You don't have to be a content creator or a social media guru to do that. Keep in mind that the goal here is to make your online presence acceptable. So a few hundreds followers will set you up. No need to aim for thousands or big numbers if you don't want to really invest the time. So growing your accounts just takes a bit of time and consistency. Come up with nice posts about your journey in coding and how passionate you are about the field. With time, you will acquire connections and followers that will interact with your content, and you will feel like you got integrated with the developer community out there and that your reputation as a developer is getting spread. The psychology of seeing yourself is really important as it plays a role in your daily life and will boost your self-esteem. Knowing that you established a network of like-minded people around you will make you motivated to grow and learn more as a developer. So this is why you have to take the time and focus on your social media to make yourself feel better. This trick really helped me in believing in myself and my capabilities as a junior developer back when I first created my presence. So I highly recommend you do the same if you got the time for it. Now let's move to the second view. How will employers, recruiters, and other people see you? Let's start with a quick question. Why do people buy fancy cars? The most common answer here would be they want to impress people around them and grab their attention. It is the same thing for social media. If you are looking to get hired or employed as a developer, you gotta impress the recruiter and grab his full attention for him to consider you as a great candidate. So after you share your social media platforms with him, seeing you having a professional look and seeing that you worked on your presence and content on social media will prove to him that you are a serious candidate and that you are a consistent person. And trust me, the impression you will give is going to be huge compared to other people applying to jobs having literally ugly profiles. Now when it comes to your network, you will start gaining recognition as you grow. And as a developer, your reputation is not only built on your technical skills, but also on how professional you are, your communication abilities, and contributions to communities. Your network alone could bring you freelance projects and get you into collaborations that could literally set you up in your career. Don't underestimate the power of networking, since most rich people got rich because they had a great network, not skills. To sum up, social media in my opinion is a must. And as I said before, you need the minimum presence. I am not asking you to dedicate your full time to growing your social media, just grow to a point where you feel more confident about yourself and to a point where it meets a good standard for you to get hired or employed. Let's get your treasure together, and I will see you in the next video.